Hey guys, here's just a review how to use the TI-84 graphing calculator to do linear regression. In order to enter our data, we want to start by pressing the Stat button. From there, we're going to edit. So we're going to press number 1. Okay, we're going to put our values in. So the values I have, the first page on 35A, were -4. Okay, and then we had a -2. And then we had a 0. Then we had a 3, okay? The corresponding y values that we have go under L2. So we're going to put in 5, 4, 3, and 1.5. Okay? All right, after we have the data values entered, we're going to go over to the Stat button again. Okay, and this time we're going to go over to Calc. Okay, so you're going to cursor over to Calc, and then you're going to press the fourth option, linear regression, number 4. Okay, all right, it's using your x values are in the first list, L1. The y values are in the second list, which is L2. You're going to actually cursor down to calculate right here and hit enter. And if you notice, y equals ax plus b, the a is the slope, and here we have our a is equal to -0.5 and our b is equal to 3. So we can use that and then write the equation of the line. So that's all we did was, again, the Stat button. So if we press the Stat button and maybe we want to enter some new data, okay, we go again to edit. We go back to the data that's already there. If we want to clear it, go to the top column, L1, and hit the clear button, but then hit enter. Okay, that will clear the entire column. Okay, and then if I go over to L2, I can do the same thing. I can clear the data, clear it, and hit enter. Okay, if you made some mistakes in your data, say you entered 2, enter 3, and then you went and then a 4, and then you realize, oh, wait a minute, I wanted to enter a 4 here, you could actually delete at this point. So you can delete the data, all right, and then fix it from there. So your delete button is right here. Okay, so you deleted your 3 and your 4. Maybe you wanted to enter a 5 and an 8. Okay, all right, but again, remember, if you go to the top column here, and you should clear it. Don't delete the column. If you accidentally delete the column, you're then going to have to insert the column. So let's actually practice doing that. Say I delete the whole entire column. Oh no, there's L1 is gone. To insert it, I'm going to hit second and then delete. Okay, see how it makes a blank one. And then I'm going to go down here and see where L1 is. It's in blue. I'm going to say second and then 1, and then I hit enter, and that will put it back again. Okay, so just a quick little tutorial on how we use the TI-84 calculator.